RedHotBreaks.com. This is eBay. Oh, get it on the screen, Brian. This is eBay. Bowman Jumbo, 523.22. Pirates are in a dead heat, 1-1 with the Colorado Rockies.
It's been a dead heat already. Oh, I hit the Preakness winner.
I hit the Preakness Exacta.
Did you?
Yeah. Bowman, the next half of this will go probably next Monday night, so Memorial Day maybe. This is the second half. We'll save it. Tomorrow night's hobby. Trevor, you can send for the Yankees right now. I thought Anna said you did. Oh, she sent you a message. There you go. All right. Let's go. Box 1. Box 1. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Yeah, pay attention to the teams that don't hit because they will be in the next break, eBay break. And don't worry, we do not change the cases out. All these years, I have nothing to gain. I hope all of you hit. I could care less, so I could care less about stuff like that. So don't worry, the case is not getting swapped. It'll be the same 4 boxes from the next case, or the same 4 that are left. And same with the hobby tomorrow night. There'll be 6 boxes of hobby tomorrow night, and then we'll do the other half of the case. We usually do breaks on Monday, but this week we're doing Monday and Tuesday. Next week, probably do Monday and Tuesday also, because we'll do one of the halves of the hobby on one night and one of the halves on the jumbo the next night. PayPal is info@redhotbreaks.com. Info, I-N-F-O, at redhotbreaks.com. Make sure you send goods also, my friend, so that we have your address to print from. All right, good luck, everybody. Come on.
Something crazy hits for the cards, he'll take care of me.
He will. All right, good luck, everybody. Marcelo Meyer. Mick Abel. Jason Dominguez and Luis Matos. Jordan Balzovic. Jake Berger, Rookie of the Year. Ooh, here we go. Refractor Auto. Yoshar Garcia for the Phillies. Logger, 30-30. Logger. Do you do logging for a living? Maybe. Could do that in Western Pennsylvania for sure. Yoshar Garcia, 293 of 499. Adley Rutschman got called up. First hit, a triple. Anybody else? Luciano. Why are these autos all upside down? Adam Macko for the Mariners. New York, no, NW Sports Collector. Adam Macko. Adam Macko. You got it, Trev. Thanks, buddy. Matos. Jordan Lawler, 3D. Cespedes and Novelli Marte. Pedro Leon. Joe Ryan. Volpe. Wilman Diaz. Here's paper. No Reds hit yet, Mike. No Reds hit yet. Just started. If you guys have just got into the room here now, if you have a rookie that you want sleeved, you know, like their first right there, like their first Bowman, like if you want one of them sleeved, soft sleeved, let us know. We will do it for you. Acuna. Bobby Witt. Nolan Gorman, Cardinals, playing pretty good for the Cardinals, too, because the Pirates don't bring up their players, but the Cardinals do. Green, Christian Roa, to $3.99. Focus, Christian Roa, first colored card. First colored card. Trevor, you're good, brother. Yep. Mariners, Jonathan Class, DJ.
Class.
Yeah. Novelli Marte. Novelli Marte for the Mariners. Mariners. Brandon Marsh. Julio Rodriguez, a 250 purple. 148 of 250 purple. Julio Rodriguez, pretty good player in his own right also. Jaron Duran, Brennan Davis. What do we got? 2 autos so far. Edward Cabrera, Torque. Vidal Brujan, C.J. Abrams, Martinez. Ed Howard. Alvin Guzman. I love these lava cards. To $3.99 for the Diamondbacks. Diamondbacks. Yeah, definitely a good box for the Mariners so far. Alvin Guzman to $3.99. Lava. Love the lavas. Jordan Walker. Greg Jones. Benny Montgomery. We're looking for one more auto here. Oh, blue auto. Come on. Khalil Watson. Blue auto. Yes. Very nice. Alan Serta to $150 for the Reds. Well, how do you say that, Anna? Fuguris.
I'm not real sure.
To 2014. When I hit a Spanish player, would I roll the R's? Absolutely. Alan Serta. I don't think that's an easy one to roll the R's on, but Alan Serta. Nice hit for the Reds. Fuguris, 2014. Blue ink already. Hedbert Perez. Colton Cowser. Thought I had a blue in there, but I did not. Khalil Watson. Yeah, there's definitely no hail damage this year compared. Here's all the chromes here.
These.
Nope, these. Box 2?
So these don't have to go. They can just get regulars in the slots.
Yeah, those are just inserts. They don't need to be. Unless any are numbered that I missed, but I don't think they are. Box 2. No, the first chromes are the ones they want sleeved. I know a lot of breakers don't ship the base, but listen, as much as these cards cost today, you gotta ship the base. Sometimes we do breaks in a Facebook group and we cheapen the price if we don't ship the base, but like stuff is just so expensive nowadays. You got to get the base cards because even if you can turn a rookie lot out of some paper, you know, and get a couple bucks back, it's better than not taking the base. Third auto of the first box was Serta. I'll do a recap at the end there, Trevor. I got a great group of guys and girls that do the sorting, and like the tribute that we did earlier is already packaged and it'll go in boxes first thing in the morning and be ready. Like it's already boxed and ready to go. So as I said, down here in the bottom right, give us a follow if you have not. That would be great. Blaze Jordan. Jason Dominguez. Jason Dominguez has been in every Topps product. Garcia and Marte for the last. C.J. Abrams. Henry Davis. Khalil Watson. I'm sure somebody wants that one sleeved. Brandon Marsh. Aribio Angeles for the San Diego Padres. Aribio Angeles. Padres. Rookie. Nice hit. Lodolo. Yeah, it's but not because of us. We ship everything next day, which is very nice if you're, you know, wanting to flip stuff on eBay or whatever. I've always tried to do that over all the years because it always annoyed me back in the day long ago when I was in breaks and I didn't get my cards for like a week. It just seemed like nonsense that what is going on here. Purple. Marco Luciano to 199. Purple. Two true purples in here. Guess this is kind of a pinkish, but almost a purple. 142 of 199. James Wood and Jackson Rutledge. You know what, Trevor? A lot of blasters have been, a lot of people have been telling me that a lot of blasters have been hitting like crazy this year. Have you seen any at Walmart, Matt? Gavin Sheets. Any blasters of Bowman? I don't either. I was up the other day and looked just because I was just going to get some forced to break. Christian Hernandez for the Cubs.
There was a full shelf there Thursday, I think, or Friday morning.
I didn't see any there last week.
And there was a whole section clear.
Somebody probably got them. I mean, they're not bringing big money, but there's hits in them this year, you know, compared to normal. So I think that's why they're selling. Rodriguez and here's a nice one. Luis Gonzalez for the Orioles. 196 of 299 Speckle. Orioles. Codster. 196 of 299. Nice hit, Codster. This half has already been better than the last half we did on the other case. 196. Oh, can you still order them, Trevor? That's pretty cool if you can. Grayson Rodriguez. Austin Martin and Luis Rodriguez. What are they going for? Are they going, yeah, that's a nice, nice speckle. Drew Waters. Look at that. Double Bobby Witt. That's kind of weird. Two of them right in a row. Haven't seen that. Wander, Rookie of the Year favorite, and Bryce Turang. Wander. Still looking for two autos out of here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, one more left in this one. Jason Dominguez, Martinez, Gunnar Henderson, Nick Gonzalez. There it is. Aloe Vera. Tyler Hardman for the New York Yankees. Kemble kept the right team. Tyler Hardman. Nice hit. Tyler Hardman, base auto. And Errol Vera. Gabby Moreno. It'll be a colored one stock. Preciado to 150. True Blue. Reginald Preciado. True Blue to 150. Josh Lau. Brady House. Gabby. Paper base. Regulars. And here is the Bowman first. Chromes. Box 3. Not the Yankees. Cabrera base auto and Austin Martin yellow mini diamonds. Ooh, that's not a bad. That's not a damn bad blaster though. Yeah, our Walmart up here in PA, in our local Walmart, it usually has a good selection of cards. Of course, during the pandemic, all that went completely bonkers, and you couldn't even get anything. But it's usually pretty well stocked now. But I haven't seen any Bowman. I haven't really been looking, but where at? Oh, really? DJ, you should be on the run to all these Walmarts during your trips. I mean, I haven't even tried to buy any blaster cases of this year yet. I mean, I'm sure we can get some. But, I mean, it's just surprising to see how many hits, like on the Facebook groups and all that. So many hits are coming out of retail this year. It's like crazy. I think Shane or somebody said the Wander 101 of this year came out of retail. You know, that's probably Fanatic's plan. The more you put out in retail, the more you can just jam it in Walmarts and Targets, you know what I mean, and not worry about distributors and all that. Because if you're starting to put all the big hits in retail, it's not a bad business plan, I would say, for them. But 6 autos and a 25 blaster? Are you kidding me, Josh? Wow. Tovin said St. Mary's Walmart had some today, actually, Matt. Jordan Lawler, speaking of...
Is he on there?
Yeah.
Do they still have behind the counter that you can only get 2?
They have them behind the counter, Tovin. You can only get 2, or... Cleo Watson. Oh, a Luca Tresh. Speckle to 299 for the Royals. Nice Royals hit there. I do love me some Speckles also. They are cool. Last super I got was Jesus Sanchez, I believe. Nick York. Jesus Sanchez. Henry Davis. Went to see him yesterday at the Altoona Curve, and guess what? Day off. Jan Contreras for the Cincinnati Reds. Fugurus 2014. Nice hit for the second Reds auto you've gotten. Jan Contreras. Vidal Brujan. Pete Crow Armstrong. We don't have any Targets near us. Down by Pittsburgh there is, but none right here. Spencer Torkelson, Blaze Jordan, Ronnie Mauricio. No Tarjay around us. Gabriel Arias, Miguel Amaya, Zach Veen. I remember when he was a big hit in draft a couple years ago. Oh, you got him online. Oh, okay. Yeah. Luis Gil, Michael Bush, Dodgers. I remember when he was a big hit 2019 Bowman draft, I believe. Or am I right on that? Somebody correct me, but I think I'm right. 2019 Bowman draft. I've never bought any online, like straight off of Target or anything. So I've never. Diego Cartera, Lawler, Simeon Woods. Got a green coming. Henry Davis for the Buccos. You know, he's 23 years old already because he went all the way to college. 99. How long are they going to hold him back?
He's going to be on fast track, I'm telling you.
Yeah, Pirates don't fast track anybody. He ain't coming up this year.
No.
No way. No way. Shaylin Polanco.
Yes, man.
Alejandro Hidalgo for the Angels. K. Delph Fav. Alejandro Hidalgo.
Doc's a good sorter. He can get some.
Angels. D.L. Hall. Yeah, he's Henry Davis is really playing good. I'm telling you, Henry Davis and Leover Piguero, that kid's pretty legit too. We watched him play yesterday. They won like 18-8 or something yesterday, DJ. Yeah, it was. They're pretty good.
Their minors are great.
I think their minor league team could honestly beat the major league team right now.
The first baseman finally got a hit. Now they're really-
Benny Montgomery, and ooh, here's a nice one for the Tigers. Roberto Campos, 100 of 250, purple auto. Tigers, Cass, 596037, nice purple. Boy, we've got a purple, we've got a blue, we've got a speckle. This is a nice case, might be a hot case. Roberto Campos, 100 of 250. Nice purple ink there. Ryan Rollison, Rockies. Torque. Got another colored card here, stuck on the back. Looks like a canary yellow. Ooh, here's a nice one. Jorge Valera to 75. Who got the Guardians? 1969 Dart. What about that? You got a 69 Dart? I just noticed that. 1969 Dart. That's a heck of a nice card there. Jorge Valera. Cleveland Guardians. Nice hit. And if you got a 69 Dart. Benny Montgomery, Cespedes. There he is right there. Leover Piguero. Rookie of the Year. We got a sky blue here. Carlos Correa to 499. Focus Astros. 499. Reed Detmers.
Lighten it up here.
Buccos are lighting it up. Last box. Yeah, the Pirates minors, that's what I always say. Here's what the Pirates' MO is. Draft great. Sign them to long-term club-friendly deals. Trade them away. It's exactly their MO. And until they force Bob Nutting to spend money, it's not going to happen. White Sox, he's calling. Flip Ninja said he would like some White Sox color or an auto would be nice, DJ. I'm going to do my best. Yeah, blame me, huh? Yeah. Last box mojo. Don't forget the other half of this case will be break number... What is this one? This is number 3. Be break number 4 will be the next. The next jumbo break will be the other half of this case. So it'll be called break number 4 on eBay, and then we'll have 5 and 6, and then so on and so forth. I don't even know what's coming out here next lately. Brew Crew Mojo. Brew Crew Mojo. We didn't get any brew. We got a nice Christian Yelich on the tribute break earlier tonight. All right, here we go. Last box. Good luck. Martin Meyer. Pedro Leon, Max Meyer. Oh, looks like we got a green coming here. Do we have an auto? Nope, sky blue. Martin Jimenez for the Blue Jays, numbered to 125. Fuen Fui. Fuen Fui, sky blue shimmer. So many different colors these days. I can't even keep up with them. Sky blue shimmer. Thought we had a purple auto there, but it's a Gavin Sheets. But we got another speckle. Oh, Max Muncy. What about that? I didn't know he was on the A's now. Max Muncy got traded to the A's? Or is that a different Max Muncy? No, number 2 Athletics prospect. Different Max Muncy. Obviously, it's a first Bowman. Max Muncy, Speckle, the 299. Cast, 596037. Different, but still cool. Number 2 prospect in the A's organization. Number 52. Round 1. Drafted 25th overall. Max Muncy, Speckle Auto. Number 2 Speckle in this half. Very nice. I was going to say, I didn't think Max Muncy got traded from the Dodgers, but crazier things could happen. Trevor says a great prospect. Awesome. High round draft pick for sure. Novo Marte. Liberatore. Robert Hassel. Nick Gonzalez. Tyler Soderstrom. Wander Franco. Armando Cruz. Brennan Davis. Helio Ramos. How is that guy not up in the majors yet? Is he? Gosh, that guy's been around forever, too. Brady House and Blue Jays auto. Damiano Palmangiani for the Blue Jays. A little bit of a scuff right there. Probably can wipe that off with a microfiber. Damiano Palmangiani for the Blue Jays. Fuen Fui. Blue Jays. Herstad, Ronnie Mauricio. A blue here. Baloo. Wrong pile. Meyer, Luciano, Austin Hendrick, Jeter Downs. Ooh, nice one there. Elijah Tatis. That's a nice card. Purple Lava to 250 for the White Sox. Flip Ninja. Nice Lava. Flip Ninja. 203 of 250. You know, we saw the Richmond Squirrels played the Altoona Curve yesterday, And that Hayward kid came to bat, and I asked Anna, I said, do you think that's Jason Hayward's little brother? And she's like, I don't think so. And guess what? Shane just said it is. Maximo Acosta to 150. Blue paper for the Rangers. I didn't know that, Shane, but he played yesterday for the Richmond Squirrels. A great Richmond Squirrels. Acosta, blue paper. Jacob, that's right. You are correct. Josh Lau. Soderstrom, look at that card. Good gosh, it looks like they ran it over in a gravel pile. That thing is terrible. Smudged, scratched. Might be the worst one I've seen in a long time. Jordan Walker, Luis Rodriguez, Khalil Watson. I think we got one more auto left, right? Or did we already get it? Julio Rodriguez. Nope, here it is. The Yankees, Oswaldo Cabrera. Nice one. Refractor auto to 499. Oswaldo Cabrera. Kemble. 121 of 499. Nice hit. Damn nice hit. Nice hit, Trevor. This has been a really good half, has it not? Rodriguez. Julio Rodriguez Invicta. San Quentin. Jake Burr. Martinez. Colton Cowser. Adley Rutschman. And there you go. Let's do a quick recap. That's a pretty good half caser right there, DJ, Matt. Two lavas. Two green papers. All right, let's recap it. Pretty nice selection here. Jorge Valera to 75. Nice hit, Canary. Marco Luciano to 199. Julio Rodriguez to 250. Elijah Tatis to 250. Wave Lava, pretty sweet. Alvin Guzman to 399. Lava. Henry Davis, 399 green. Christian Roa, 399 green. Luca Tresh to 299 speckle. Martin Jimenez to 125. Carlos Correa to 499 sky blue. Maximo Acosta to 150. Reginald Preciado to 150. Christian Hernandez to 125. Autos. Damiano Palmangiani for the Blue Jays. Alejandro Hidalgo. Jan Contreras. Tyler Hardman for the Yankees. Uribio Angeles for the Padres. Adam Macco, Mariners. Speckle Autos. 217 of 299. Max Muncy for the A's. Cool card. Luis Gonzalez, the 299. Another nice one. Roberto Campos. 100 of 250 for the Tigers. Alan Serta, 149 of 150 for the Reds. Oswaldo Cabrera to 499, refractor auto, nice hit. And Yoswar Garcia to 499, refractor. Dang, nice half case. The other half will be on eBay should be for next Monday or Tuesday, one of those 2 days. Congrats, checkered flag, red hot breaks. See ya.